Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody is doing great. Guys, if you're looking for fun, engaging and interactive activities to do with your kids in less than 10 minutes with the stuff available at home, this is the right space for you. All you have to do is just subscribe and make sure you hit that bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you get the notification. Alright guys, the weather has completely changed here. I'm sure in different parts of the world it's getting colder now, and it definitely is right here. It's extremely cold. I think it's 3 degrees this morning, and yeah, but like I think all we have to do is put on our jackets, make sure we are eating healthy, we are staying healthy, and that's the most important thing. A lot of festivals are coming up. Let me just tell you that I'm working on a pretty cool printable, a free printable for festivals, and I would be sharing that by end of the week. For today, what I am going to be showing you is a visual spatial book that I have created, and it's a brain teaser book with, I should say, we have 8 activities to do with the kids, and they could be a little difficult. Okay, so it's a little level up, but you can definitely tone it down according to your kids' age, and all you need is just a couple of sketch pens, or I would say markers, highlighters, whatever you have, a couple of pages or a notebook, and 10 minutes of time, and all you have to do is just switch on my video and you can recreate it. That's all. So let's get going. Let me show you what all I have in the book. But make sure that if you want a printable for this, leave a comment below, and if you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. So let's get going. Just showing you what I have used to make this activity, just my highlighters and this book. That's all. That there are no stickers. It won't take much time, but definitely it's a great brain teaser and visual spatial activity for, I would say, kids up 6 to 9, or you could modify them for kids 4, and I would exactly tell you how you can modify that too. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, this is how you're going to slide, flip and turn. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 different designs that I've made here. Slide means you copy exactly the same design. Flip is something that you reverse. Okay, so if this is like this, you make it like this in turn, and this is called turn. And in turn, you take a picture. So like if the pen is like this, you turn it like this. Okay, so here all these shapes, or all these lines that you see, have been turned around to this shape. So this was activity number 5, but just giving you an idea how exactly all of them will be done. Okay, let me share with you another one, which is my activity number 7. So you have a pattern which is going on here, okay, for these 4 designs, and the kids have to recreate. And when I say recreate, they have to make it exactly the same the way they are. Definitely the positioning can be here and there, but like if there's a purple and pink, purple and pink, purple and pink, the way they are, once they start doing it, they will see a pattern. And that's how the colors that you've used, like if I have used these 6 highlighters, you could use any 6 sketch pens. Make sure the kids have to use the same. So just keep them next to them. That's all. That's the only thing that you need to finish this activity. Nothing else. So they're recreated, and there are 4 different designs that they can do. Okay, let me show you another one. So this is activity 8, and this is flip horizontally. Okay, so there are these 3 designs. The way they have been made are you have 2 purple lines. Okay, there are horizontal and vertical lines that are going, and the kid needs to flip horizontally and recreate the same design right here. Okay, so using the same pens, looking at this. So by now your kid needs to know what is flip horizontal and vertical. They need to know what is a mirror image. So with these activities, it's just so much of brain teaser that you might think in the beginning that it's too easy, but trust me, when you have so many colors going on, you need to flip horizontally. All these shapes and all these elements do not make it very easy. Okay, let me make you see activity number 6. And in activity number 6, you would see there are so many gathered different designs and patterns. Each one of them are different from one another, and they all have different colors. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to make pairs by recreating the same one, because we are doing it for the older group, so they don't have to do the matching, because matching is super easy. But if you do it for the younger group, you can definitely make matching. But guys, if you try this activity, make sure that you share it with me, or if you tag me, if you share it on your social media, make sure that you just tag me there at It Starts at Home or Sonali Kapoor. I would be happy to see your version. Okay, so the elder kids have to recreate the same. So if this is one of the shapes, they have to figure it out what colors would they need. Okay, and I have used two similar colors, so these are the ones, and then he needs to recreate the same one right here. So you have ample of space just all along to create the same ones. Okay, let's go with the first activity. Okay, so this says recreate recreate the design, change second color with third. Okay, so let me take an example of this one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 here. Now they have said you have to change the second color with third. So when you're making this, you have to go pink and purple, okay, and then green, and then the following color. So you have to recreate, but you have to make sure that you're changing. Okay, and if you have to make it more difficult, which I think I would when I'll give it to Vivan to do it, I would try and switch 3 or 4 colors with their places so that it becomes more intrigue in the following activities. Okay, let me share with you 2 more activities. Now, activity number 2 is flip and recreate. I've given an example. So you have all these shades in one particular order. You have to do the same things once you flip and recreate. And you can see the same activity has been just done with these pens and notebook. So all you need to do is grab a couple of papers, make the pen, and you can use this activity. All right, so this activity is activity number 3, and this is a 90-degree flip turn you have to dig. So if your colors are like this, okay, they need to turn and make it 90-degree, and exactly the same colors need to be used but a different positioning. So once they're going to be using, they would need a lot of blank space. So I have left a couple of pages for him to try and recreate the design as many times as you want, and then try and make them. I think it's going to be a pretty cool activity for him to do. Okay, this is simple 3 designs. It's a simple slide activity, so just kept one simple activity, and slide means exactly copy as per the pattern. So yeah, that's it guys. I've shared with you all the 8 activities that I'm gonna share with Vivan, and there's a printable available for this activity in case if you need it. Make sure you leave a comment, and if you have any more suggestions to the activity, just let me know guys. And thanks for watching. I can't say more. I would just say take care of yourselves guys, and if you like this activity, give me a thumbs up and make sure you leave a comment. I love reading whatever you guys say, or just drop in to say hi. Bye guys, see you next time.